Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best diet for our hair. It has been proven that the diet definitely has a very serious effect on the way our hair looks. And because I'm always pro natural diet and natural foods that could nourish us from within, I will concentrate on the food that contains these or that vitamin or nutrient, so it's easier for you to work around the diet, perfect diet for your hair. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you're always up to date with all the videos I'm uploading about health and about beauty, as well as DIY recipes. For example, extremely low calorie diet could cause thinning hair, and if your diet is very low in protein, it could even lead to the hair loss. Eating the right foods supports great looking hair. So if you're suffering from brittle hair, from dull hair, you definitely need to think about the diet and make sure it is rich in the following nutrients and vitamins. For healthier hair, you absolutely need to make sure that your diet is rich in protein. If you think that protein is meat only, this is a mistake. There are so many different sources of protein. Our hair primarily is made of protein. Animal protein could be included in the diet, but nuts, beans are also great choices, as well as fish, eggs, and yogurt. The next thing you always need to make sure your diet is rich in, and never be afraid of that, and that will be fat. When I'm talking about fat, it's very important to remember that certain types of food requires fat in order for different nutrients to be absorbed in our body, because the vitamins it contain are fat soluble. So without fat, we will not get any of them. So fat could also come in different forms. I would say it's important to consume the right amount of fat and the right type of it. Raw nuts and seeds, as well as oily fish, avocados of course, and flax will help your hair to be soft and touchable. Talking about fat, I'm going to continue talking about fatty acids, the most important ones such as omega-3s. Unfortunately, in our modern diets, we have this kind of imbalance of omega-3s to omega-6, and we need to always remember that if you're consuming a lot of corn oil, maybe peanuts, which are not really considered healthy foods, you need to always consume something to have that balance. Well, walnuts is an amazing source of omega-3s, as well as flaxseed oil. The next element I would love to point out here would be iron. Iron is extremely important for the healthy circulation, and that's why it's also important for the healthy skin. It increases the circulation in the skin, and your skin does look more glowing. And it is also, of course, a critical element for our healthy hair. Beans, meat, eggs, broccoli, and spinach are wonderful ways to get more iron into your diet. Now, I definitely have to mention three most powerful antioxidants out there, and that would be vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Vitamin A encourages the healthy growth of sebum, which keeps your hair soft and healthy, and of course prevents the breakage. You can find vitamin A in almost every orange type of food out there, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, peaches, as well as cod liver oil, krill oil, and spinach. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, of course, but it also is very important for our bodies to absorb iron and magnesium. So you can find vitamin C, of course, in almost every citrus fruit out there, as well as bell peppers, kale, and many others. Vitamin E is very important because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It's actually very good for our heart, because it promotes capillary growth. And among other things, it is also amazing for your hair. We can find vitamin E in avocados, sunflower seeds, almonds, fish, eggs, shellfish, and leafy greens. Of course, you could even apply vitamin A directly onto your hair. I have 3 more to go, and the next one, which is very important for, the health of your hair, the health of your skin, and even nails, and that will be zinc. If your body is low in zinc, it might even cause hair loss. Among all the food, oysters would be the best source for zinc, but of course other food like beans, chicken, crab, lobster, and nuts, they are also great sources of zinc. The next group of vitamins will be obviously vitamin B vitamins. I specifically should point out biotin and vitamin B5. If you ever decide to take vitamin B supplement, do make sure that this is the vitamin B complex, because sometimes if you just try taking a certain B vitamin separately from the others, it might lead to sort of imbalance of all the other B vitamins. So a complex is the preferable form of taking vitamin B. You can find biotin in yeast, liver, egg yolks, and walnuts. Biotin is extremely important if you want to grow long hair. Vitamin B5 also promotes healthy hair growth, and you can find it in abundance in the Greek yogurt. So these are actually all the vitamins and minerals, nutrients that I wanted to share with you. So next time you're shopping for food, you know that, oh, maybe I'll grab that, or maybe today I will switch this fruit to that fruit, and I will have good looking hair. Of course, for good looking hair, the stress management is also very, very important. Enough liquids in your diet, preferably water, filtered water. And I would say if you want to have great looking hair, do not forget about DIY wonderful and easy to prepare masks that would definitely promote healthy scalp and actually hair growth. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, for your support and attention. I appreciate it very, very much, and it is very important to me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to have the hair you're dreaming of, and I will be very happy to see you in my next video.